CS student at Oregon State, and I built a automated market maker for deepbook that uses a kind of decentralized vault where anyone can deposit to it and receive a liquidity or LP token. Um, and then it uses all these funds in this vault to execute these market making strategies. So I didn't get too far on the front end, but you can connect your wallet and you can deposit deep and receive the LP token. However, I was having some troubles with the Oracle and wasn't able to finish up like the actual LP token calculations. So if I refresh, it should say I have some of the LP token, but I don't. And yeah, so I just wanted to create like a user interface where you can see like the trade log, the vault balances and whatnot. But didn't have time to finish that up. But if I go to the actual logic, I'll just go over the token real quick. Pretty basic. Use the OTW pattern to create a coin. And then in the automated market maker package, I have the vault. And pretty much it has a list of all the users' balance managers, and it kind of wraps the balance manager in this user balance manager struct, which includes a trade cap, deposit cap, and withdraw cap, so that the vault can actually execute these actions on the user's balance manager. And here we can see creating a vault with the type of the LP token. This kind of registers a user's balance manager to the vault. You can deposit into the vault, and it kind of calculates the total value and then calculates the LP token to mint. Although I was having issues with this because the price oracle was not working very well. Then I also have withdraw, which is just very similar. Instead, it burns the LP token and gives the user a deep. So then some accessor functions, getting the balance manager and create trade cap and seeing if they're registered. Also then getting the total value. It kind of just loops through all the balance managers and gets the balance of these coins. So I did have to hard code these coins in here. So the vault can only like trade with USDC, SWI, and Deep, but this can easily be added. And then so getting price of all these different assets that I just listed. I used the Pyth network price oracles, and yeah, I was kind of just having trouble how to actually turn this like price magnitude and exponent magnitude into an actual number. And here's my attempt at the math, but it did not work. So that's kind of how the vault works. And then on the strategy side, I only had time to implement just like a basic create spread order. So you can specify the pool, the spread in BPS, order size, skew percent. Since it has automatic rebalancing, you can specify the skew percent, and then yeah, similar stuff. But it kind of takes like the mid price, which in the future should be replaced with like a price oracle or something. And then it kind of just calculates how it should rebalance the trade based on how much of the quote asset versus how much of the base asset the vault contains. So that's kind of what it's doing here. And then it's placing a bid order, and then it'll place an ask order that's based on the spread. So that's about it for my demo. Thanks for listening.